Hey guys, and welcome back to the video from Buzz for Cars and Raspberry Pi and Computer Stuff. Today we're talking about the Samsung Pro Plus 256GB micro SD card. This micro SD card has amazing 4K shooting capabilities, as it has a read speed of 180 megabytes per second and a write speed of 130 megabytes per second. It is usable in smartphones, cameras, action cameras, and drones. So firstly, it is waterproof, wearproof, which means even if you scratch the pins, it will still work. X-ray proof, temperature proof, magnet proof, which means most electronic devices will pretty much break. Well, not modern electronic devices, but the older type of storage devices and electronic devices would usually break or corrupt if a magnet was near it, and it's also drop proof. This cost me £17.99 on the Amazon Spring Sale deal, and it retails for about £22 currently as of the Samsung sale, and it did retail for £34. So I think I got a great deal, £4 off. And I got it Prime, so yeah, I think it's a great deal. So let's get to cutting it open. First I got my little scissors here. It's not actually that small, but I've got scissors. Okay. And I can finally pull it out. So if you can see, there's the micro SD card and there's the adapter. And on the other side, you can see the pins for the micro SD card and adapter. Let's get it out of this plastic case, which is anti-static. And yeah, first of all, we do this and put it in. And usually this should work on most computers if they have the port, but you should get a USB 3.0 SD card adapter if you don't have one. Look, you can see the storage safe lock that people can't access if you do that, and the unlock. And actually have a 32GB Samsung SD card, but not this version, but I do have one. So let's get to the read and write speed test. Bye. Oh, it is giving results of read 90.9 megabytes per second and write 81.72 megabytes per second. It's pretty decent speeds, to be honest, because I only did a small test size. If I do a bigger test size, for example, 512 megabytes, it'll probably take some better results. So see you then. Oh, I have done more testing, and you see, it's 93.01 megabytes per second read speed and 84.66. This is still very decent, as you can record high quality 4K videos and good quality photos. And well, I'd say this is good.